All right, St. John's and Bowling Green hockey. First period, Matthew Stansley to tap it out in front, 1-0 Titans. BG would tie it up, but back come the Titans. And then the second period, shorthanded. Look at Liam Seipel. Great defense and stick work. 4-1 Titans. It's over, right? Not necessarily. Bobcats come all the way back. Blake Powers, 5-4, Bowling Green on top. But back the other way. Late in the third period, Titans working it around out in front. Seipel puts it home. We go to overtime. In OT, a turnover. Logan Bergeron. Somehow it goes in. That's the game winner. Bergeron and Powers both with hat tricks. BG wins 6-5 in OT.
Honestly, I was just forechecking and the kid bobbled it at the blue line, and I went in and was going on a breakaway, was going to my backhand and literally lost the puck, and the kid hit it in his own net.
Cole Kestner in net for St. John's. I know he's a good buddy of yours. How'd that feel?
It feels good. You know, we haven't really been getting the bounces that much this year, and it feels good to finally get it, especially against your buddy.